PM Gati Shakti is not merely just a platform.
It's a mechanism which is created. There has been at least 30 to 40%.
हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये यात्रा सड़क से नहीं एक संकल्प से शुरू हुई। PM Gati Shakti is not merely just a platform. It is actually a mindset of integrated India. Could you say that? And this scheme is actually a national operating scheme as well.
I think it won't be very appropriate to call PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan Initiative as a scheme. Not at all. In fact, it's a program, it's a mechanism which is created for governance of almost the entire logistics sector as well as even the supply chains, right? And it has created that mechanism, a mega mechanism for ensuring that coordination, a willing coordination and cooperation among 45 plus ministries in the government of India and all the state governments and the union territories. There has been at least 30 to 40% improvement in terms of implementability of the projects once they are planned on the PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan platform. So that's the greatest ease of decision making, I always call, and the ease of governance. The transformation in a way that the government side is also having a greater ease of governance, you know. So the ease cannot be shared with you if I am a diseased person, right? So if the government side is also at ease, I can say that the government can share that ease with the business as well. So this is how the ease of business has been enhanced through this mechanism. And of course, the creation of assets, creation of infrastructure, creation of additional capacity has increased your convenience, your ease, your efficiency, whatever is required for the business.
हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये यात्रा सड़क से नहीं एक संकल्प से शुरू हुई।
बिल्कुल सही है, बिल्कुल सही है।
और हम कह सकते हैं कि लॉजिस्टिक सेक्टर सिर्फ स्टील सीमेंट से नहीं मजबूत इरादों से एक्चुअली मजबूत हुआ है, फौलादी इरादों से।
Watch the full podcast on the video section of cargotalk.in.